Hello, Party Porterhouse. Welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to do a get ready, get up, good morning smoothie. I don't drink them every day, but let's say like every other day. I do like to take these smoothies in because due to me having a lot of issues with my skin, with eczema and psoriasis, I have a combination of both. It was very hard for me to just try to find a healthy balance on what to eat or what to take in the morning, and then something that helps settle with my stomach. Now, there are all types of smoothies. I cannot tell you which one will work good for you. Now, in my case, I'm more of a berry smoothie. Some people like pineapple, some people like mango. It's like 1,000 smoothies that you can make that is conditioned for your body, that's going to make you feel good. Now, the smoothie that I have today is going to involve spinach, water. I don't use tap water. I only use either spring water or bottled water. This is a probiotic milk that I use. Nothing that has any type of cow fat in it. Strawberries, because I just love berries. Blueberries, a probiotic yogurt, flaxseed, as well as chia seeds. And then just to have a little bit of sweetness to it. Some people use brown sugar, some people use white sugar, but I use the organic guava syrup. Just a little bit, just to just make it extra tasty. So I'm going to make this for you. Let's stop all this talking. Let me get on to it. So I'm going to add a little bit of spinach. And I like a lot of spinach. You know, spinach is good for a lot of things. And then I add my milk to it. And then we're going to add some strawberries. And some yogurt. And this is the honey vanilla yogurt. And the good thing about this is that you're getting all of your nutrients with, through a straw. It's a good on-the-go breakfast, a good on-the-go pick-me-up. Sometimes I even, I may even drink them at night, but it just depends. But most of the time I drink them in the morning. And then we're going to add some blueberries, because blueberries is good for, just brain function and a whole lot of things. I'm going to post some things on the channel of different things what each ingredient is good for. So you just don't think that I'm just putting it together. All of these things are good for you. And then you can find out your combination of what you like. There's no one set way of eating healthy. It just depends on what you like. That's the wonderful thing about just having a variety of things. But for mostly of all of the smoothies that I have, I always add spinach to all of mine. And then we're going to add a little bit of flax seed, and then a little bit of chia. And let's not forget our H2O. And we're going to add the yummy on top, a little bit of guava syrup. Okay. And I use a Ninja blender because it blends up all of the ingredients just perfectly. So, just go through the straw easily. All right, that looks a little blended. Now, I'm going to just tell you, it's not going to be pretty looking, but it will taste good. So I'm going to pour some in this cup. It smells real good. Regardless of how it looks, it really smells good. All right, let's taste. I'm going to taste. delicious, just delicious. So if you're on the go and you don't like to just, you know, sit and have to just pull all these ingredients out, you can just blend it. It only takes a little bit, you know, just a little bit of time, probably an extra 20 minutes. Now, to condense this for one person, I am going to get the 1 cup NutriBullet. I think that would be, you know, a better resource. That way you don't have to worry about all this cleanup, because like, who got time to be doing all that cleanup? We got to go. And then if you want to leave it, you can just have one thing. So you want to know where all the ingredients came from. It is hard sometimes to get strawberries that's in season, and it's, you know, it's just sometimes hard to get fresh fruit. But because I love shopping at Wally World, which is true, I'm not even trying to advertise for them. I do like shopping at Wally World. I get my ingredients from the frozen section. Frozen strawberries, frozen blueberries. I love that the chia seeds are already grind up even finer. Like, they sell regular chia seeds, but they have them like a finely grind up kind. That's in the Hispanic aisle. And then the flax seeds, they have those grind up real fine as well. Probiotic yogurt, like all of these ingredients came from Walmart. So I like that you can do these smoothies like all year round. You don't have to like wait till, you know, you have to go to the farmer's market or so to pick it. You can always have it. I really like using the organic raw sugar in the raw. It's just a healthy alternative for me, because it doesn't spike my sugar levels like, you know, it does when I use white sugar. Now, for me, white sugar is in a lot of different things that I like. Say for instance, sometimes I like to do breakfast at night, and I like to use the regular syrup on my pancakes. However, I noticed the next day my eyes will, and only people who have this problem would know what I'm talking about. You know, some people are like, well, that's weird, but this is what happened to me. I noticed every time I started using the syrup at night, put it on my food and I would eat it at night, or even during the day, I noticed the next day my eyes felt very swollen, and it felt like I had a lot of inflammation, and it was because of the white sugar. It didn't matter if I used a little bit or a lot, I still had the same reaction. So I was very thankful that God just laid this on my heart to try this right here, this organic raw sugar from this guava plant. And I noticed a difference. I noticed a change, that my body adapted to it well. Now, I didn't say that, you know, white sugar is bad. I mean, it's, for me, this is how it reacts to my body. And yes, I have not completely cut out white sugar all around the globe, because I do like to eat cupcakes. I like all of those things, but I have to do it in moderation. Like, I can't eat certain sweets at night, because I noticed that it just puts a lot of inflammation in my body. So for people who have that problem, who are like diabetic or pre-diabetic, this is a nice substitute for it. Sometimes the other sugars, the other substitute sugars, you know, they don't really have a natural taste. And I like this because I can use this in my tea. I'm not really a big honey person. I don't have anything against honey, but I just didn't like the taste so much in the tea, so I was using the guava syrup in that, and I really like the taste. So, you know, I'm just going to tell you, like, one of my kids that I work with, one of my kids in the past I worked with at my daycare, you know, just try it. You know, you might like it. Just try it. You never know. So this is really a very healthy alternative. Thank you again for joining me today, and I want to just give you an inspirational quote at the end of all of my segments. I do want to say something that's going to inspire you or encourage you. So today, sometimes when you're in a dark place, you think you've been buried, but actually you've been planted. So think about that. And I will pray for you as you pray for me. Have a great day, and bye-bye. Mwah. Peace out. Yeah, I'm a 70s baby. Peace out.